onto your brand new hard drive from your computer, search disk utility by pressing Command and space on your Mac, then it will bring up this menu right here. Now what you're going to see is your hard drive and your default Macintosh HD, but you want to select the hard drive and then you want to select the erase button. When you're on the erase button, change the name of the hard drive to whatever you want to call it, and then the format, for example, is the thing that you're going to change to make the hard drive work. So I'm changing the name of my hard drive right now in disk utility, the format, and for a Mac we're going to change it to Exfat, and then we're going to select save/erase, and there it does. It erases all the old data, and it basically makes your hard drive compatible with a Mac, because sometimes hard drives are compatible with a Windows laptop but not a Mac, so you just have to make a few little adjustments before you can use this hard drive properly, and subsequently, after that you're all good to go. And as you can see, now when I go to drag and drop a file, it works perfectly. Thank you for watching. Take care. Leave a like if this helped.